Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Outer Banks Motel Lodge. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located along Kill Devil Hills Beach, this North Carolina motel features a swimming pool and free Wi-Fi internet. Some units include kitchenettes with microwaves, refrigerators and coffee making facilities. Flat screen TVs are also included. Barbecue facilities, laundry facilities and a children's playground are on site at Outer Banks Motel Lodge. Vending machines are available and offer snacks and refreshments. The Wright Brothers National Memorial is just 2.2 miles from this motel. Guests will be 6 minutes drive from Jocky's Ridge. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.